Hi, my name is Dario. I'm the project manager of Prime Asia, and we are fabricating and installing UPVC opening systems and aluminum systems throughout Thailand and Southeast Asia. Our company is located in Bangkok, Thailand. It's a beautiful country, of course, but it has its specific requirements with the heat and the extreme climate conditions here and the humidity. Now, today I'm talking to you from a project in Chiang Mai where we are using UPVC systems. In this particular case, most of the openings comprise of this Enautic decoinic patio sliding systems. The customer wants a floor-to-ceiling appearance, so we have to come with a thick profile quite. So we have, in this particular case, a sash sideline of 9 centimeters. With this system, it can go up to 2,80 meters. And the interesting part is it has a strong steel inlays, which are around 2.3 millimeters thick. And it has a tropical formulation. The tropical formulation contains a lot of magnesium dioxide, means we can offer a 10-year warranty for these profile systems, for all UPVC profile systems, because there will be no brittleness, there will be no yellowing in the profile, even if it's exposed directly to the sun. And that is quite important. Now, other interesting parts about this system is that we can support it with rollers that can carry up to 120 or 150 kilograms. So we can even work with double glass or single or laminated glassing, which I will explain later again. Now, for the comfort of the customer, as you see in this rail, it's easy to clip off one of these sliding rails and just install like a flat threshold here from aluminum. So the customer doesn't have to step over it, and you can put the finished floor here, so it's quite an invisible threshold. This is also very important for the customer to don't have any obstacles when they're stepping inside their room to fall over. And of course for the kids it's more convenient as well. These clip-on aluminum rails are quite well designed. Once they get dirty or scratchy, we can just polish them up again and they will be like new. And also if they get broken or deformed over time, they can be just clipped out and we can just install them again and clip them in again. So it's a quick removal and servicing process that we can help the customer also in the future without disassembling the whole part. So an important part of the building is of course the glass. When we evaluate the project with the customer, we have to take into consideration several things about the glass thickness and the factors that he want to achieve, the criteria. Now in this particular case we are using laminated glass, which means 2 panels of 4 millimeter stuck together with a PVB film. With the thickness of 0.76 millimeter. So we have a total thickness of 8.76 millimeter in this case. And what this gives to the customer is he has an intrusion protection. It will take a thief extremely long to break through this glass and then cut through it. It's quite impossible, almost impossible. So he needs to spend a considerable time breaking this glass. And also it will help with the noise reduction, which is not a big deal in this case because the customer is really outside in the green. But in case you have a highway very close by, that will also help a lot with the noise reduction. The other thing is, if the customer plans to have an wooden interior door, the PVB layer inside this glass will filter out 99% of the UVA and UVB rays. So he will not have the typical degradation of the furniture when the sun hits the laminate and the parquet. it will not bleach out and the interior will stay long and nice. Prime Asia uses high quality handles as well to complement our product line. In addition to the Decoinic imported profiles, PVC profiles, we also use aluminium or zinc die-cast handles, which are also imported and come from a reputable brand. Now they need to be, of course, UV resistant, and we are attaching them directly to the steel as well. So you have a high life expectancy in the movement of these handles. And they are used for pulling, of course, the sash apart. And they are also operating the multi-point locking system. Now this multi-point locking system, that can be GU or Roto, or Decoinic has their own system as well. Features a multi-point locking system, so it interlocks with a locking piece on multiple places. So it's very difficult for a thief to enter the premises. And there's also an anti-lifting device included with this. So he just simply cannot lift out the whole sash and the whole door and remove it easily. So there's a kind of guarantee or certification with this system that it's to some extent intruder resistant.